Well, here we are at Parker Canyon Lake. The lake goes way around way over there. It's actually huge. You know, they told us you go to Arizona, everything's going to be just brown, no trees, no water, too dry. Well, I guess they didn't come to the top of the mountain and visit the lake. It is absolutely beautiful. You got the giant birds out here. It's cabins everywhere, just green trees and clear water. This place is amazing. It doesn't get any better than this. Arizona is a freaking magical place. I urge you to at least visit.